Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and check out the profits we've generated on our client account. Here are the profits for today, and here's the total that we've generated on this account so far. And if you look at this chart, you can see we are making profits consistently, and so far we have a 75% win rate, and we have more winners than losers. And for a Forex system to be profitable, it's very important that you have more winners than losers. Now here's where the real magic happens. Our copy trading program allows you to link your account to our master account, seamlessly replicating our daily trades. The best part? Signing up is entirely free, with no recurring monthly or weekly fees. When it comes to profits, we only deduct a modest 20% fee from your earnings when you're in the profit zone. In other words, if you make $100, you contribute $20, leaving you with a net profit of $80. What sets us apart is that you pay this fee only after you've made money, in contrast to other programs that demand upfront payments. Moreover, it's incredibly convenient and hands-off. You can even let your profits accumulate while you're catching some much-needed rest. This is especially advantageous for newcomers who might feel overwhelmed by the abundance of information available online. Think of it as a long-term investment. With a conservative 2% monthly growth, you could witness an impressive 24% annual growth, surpassing what most banks and investment firms can offer. But here's the kicker. This opportunity isn't just for seasoned traders. Our copy trading service caters to both standard dollar accounts and cent accounts. You can start as little as 10 US dollars, equivalent to 1,000 US cents. However, for optimal results, we recommend starting with at least 100 US dollars, which equates to 10,000 US cents. Your capital has ample room to flourish, and you maintain full control. Feel free to withdraw your profits whenever it suits you. Your funds remain secure, with us having no access to them. Our program proudly collaborates with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the illustrious football club PSG. So don't hesitate any longer. This marks the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to get started. And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.